guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Sin, and this is Beauty with Sin. And today we're bringing you a new Butta Lace unit from Sensational, courtesy of Wig Types. This is not a sponsored video. This is Butter Unit 36, and I got the color Balayage Mocha. I am going to be using my Eben Wonder Spray, and I have the wig band that came with one of my wigs from there. So let's just jump into unboxing this wig first, and then we'll get to all the specs that comes with this wig. I will tell you, I love this wig. I do. My cons about Sensational wigs are that the hair tangles rather quickly. However, the lace on the new Sensational Butta Lace wigs are phenomenal. They are doing their thing. This transparent, undetectable lace is really taken off, and I think Sensational is coming for the next of the other synthetic brands. The two favorite brands that I love are Sensational and Outre, but lately I find in my arsenal are all Sensational Butta Lace wigs, because everyone that I see reviewing these wigs, they look so amazing. And so I decided, you know what, let's pick this up and give the girlies something to look at while I get myself together. Now here's something, not a disclaimer, but for me, when I'm putting on synthetic wigs, I do not need to do the ball cap method with these. If I'm doing an Amazon wig, I will do the ball cap method. But as far as these wigs go, we're not going to do that. We're just going to do a flesh tone wig cap and whatnot. So what you saw me doing there was I was actually cutting the lace off. But here we're going to look at the specs. Not cutting the lace, but I was cutting the stock card from the wig, and I'm not even going to edit that part out. It is what it is. But yeah, this lace is beautiful. I'm showing you here what they're saying. That's normal lace, and the Butta Lace is the one that's like really undetectable. I must say, you could still customize these some more. I have seen people like Bodied by Beautifully Cat, I think her name is, and Body by Kiara. They usually customize their synthetic wigs from the the hairline a little bit more. They pluck a little bit more. But for me, I feel like I don't really need to do that. It all depends. I did it because I wanted to try it, but I did not do it on this wig. Now you know how the cap construction comes. It has the, the combs, the what is that? The clips in the back to adjust the wig to make it, fit your head. So here now we're going to try it on before we cut the lace off. I definitely will say that this color has been catching me in the last couple of wigs. Like, I literally think Balayage Mocha is so pretty. Now, sometimes it gives off real like ashy, but I find that the more I wear the wig, the more I've gotten the wig on, it's going in the way I want it to go. I find though on the stock card, even though this said it was the same color, it didn't give me the same color. Now, as you see me pulling my hair back there, yeah, you can really do more. You can customize more. So if you're good at customizing and plucking, I suggest you go ahead and do just a tad bit of plucking. Now, I was trying to get it centered the way I wanted the wig to look. And I'll show you pictures. Now, I stand up here because I wanted to show you the length of this wig. I don't remember the exact length, but I'll leave it here on the description, pop up somewhere. But it reaches me right above my boobs, and it was perfect size. So here I'm showing you, I cut some of this off. Now, this is where the disclaimer comes in. Be very, very careful how you cut the lace, because sometimes with this Butta Lace, it is like you can't really see it good. And so you might cut it in the weirdest way. I've done that before. But with this wig, I learned my lesson in previous wigs, and this one's actually good. You see how it has a little bit of hair there? Yeah, that's what happened. Now let's just try it back on now that the lace has been off. Now, this does not come with a lot of parting space or a lot of wig or lace. I love the L'Oreal Infallible as my tinted, foundation to make it fit the color of the lace or kind of blend in well. So I took that. I believe that's the color sienna that I had, and I took that and kind of lightly dusted the front of the lace in there and where the, where all the lace was. If you hear that whiffing background in there, that's my dog trying to signal that we need to go outside because he wants to go outside. But yeah, let's get back to this voiceover because he is interrupting the money. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking now and then just let you guys watch the rest of the video so that you guys can see what it looks like, and I'll come back and tell you my final thoughts on this wig. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once you cut the lace off and you kind of lay it down, you can use your spray to melt the side of the lace. But I was also about to film another wig video, so I didn't really spray this down. I actually just kind of positioned it in place so that it wouldn't show, but I'm showing you how it is, falling in the front of my face. The reason that I will say this about this wig is most of these wigs, when they come out, they feel like at the top, like real humpy. But what I did was I sprayed some of the Eben spray on the top, and then I took my brush and just kind of brushed it in place so that it could flatten down the top of the wig. Yes, I'm excited because I like the way it looks. She looks pretty. Now, I did not do the makeup in this video because I actually did another video with the makeup look that we will see here soon. So if you're interested in that makeup look, definitely head on over to the next video because that will be the next video loading on the channel about the makeup look that I did with this wig. Because it was date night and we were going out. Bye, guys.